भ्रष्टाचार नहीं चलेगा।
एनडीए को रद्द करो। मोदी सरकार जवाब दो।
नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा।
So myself, Mallesh Raj, AIDSO, All India Democratic Students Organization, Telangana State President. So friends, today, all over India, since from 1 month, NEET scam, UG scam has happened. Till now, Modi government, Modi is not opening his mouth. And till now, NTA, National Testing Agency, has corrupted 30 lakhs question paper has sold, and many students are coming out and doing many protests, and entire country now burning on NEET issue. Till now, Modi even speak a single word till now. So we are protesting today. AIDSO given a call all over India to protest against this, and we want justice. We are raising, we want justice, because here 25 lakh students have written this exam. Till now, this National Testing Agency doing many corruptions here. So after revealing these facts also, government is not ready to take any single action against NTA. So what is this showing this now? Because we are AIDSO Students Organization, we are demanding to judicial inquiry into this NEET question paper which is happened, leak happened. That need to be, judicial inquiry need to be happened, and this culprits also need to be given stringent punishment to them. So we are demanding to immediate action we need to take. Those after this NET exam has been paper leakage. UG and PG also, they are now postpone exam, they are postponing. Now even again they are ready to conduct again these exams. So UG NEET exam and again NTA exam, they are NET exam they are telling. So we are demanding to judicial inquiry immediately need to be processed, and this NTA, National Testing Agency, need to be scrapped. So we are all over India, we are building mighty movements against this paper leakage and doing this such movements. Thank you.
मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ. सो एक्चुअली नीट के रिजल्ट्स जुलाई 4 के दिन रिलीज किए थे, और ऑलमोस्ट फर्स्ट रैंक 65 स्टूडेंट्स को मिला था, जो कि एक्सट्रीमली अनसाइंटिफिक एंड इलॉजिकल है, क्योंकि यूजुअली नीट में 3 से 4 स्टूडेंट्स को फर्स्ट रैंक मिलता है. एंड मोर ओवर, फॉर अ मार्क द रैंक इन्फ्लेशन हैज बीन 10 to 20 times increased, and this is extremely unlikely for a NEET exam, and especially an entrance exam in such a large scale. 25 lakh students have given NEET in this year, and the evidence shows that there has been leak of paper not only in just one state but almost throughout the country. And AIDSO, along with other student organizations, we are demanding NTA to take back NEET and reconduct NEET and provide justice to the 25 students that have given exam this month. And we demand the government not to conduct any more competitive exams, as it has been consistently, there has been paper leak by both state and central government since the past 2 to 3 years. And we demand justice for the students, and also to conduct competitive exams only after there has been stringent punishment to the people who have leaked the